Hello everybody, welcome to another session of database query using SQL. In this session we are going to see some of the functions, text functions or string functions named length, left, right, instr, ltrim, rtrim and trim. Let us first see the length function. The string function will return the length of the string given to this. For example, select length of hello. So the length function now has a string hello and it will be returning the length of that string. The length of the string is 5. Now let us see length of the string hello hi. There is a space in between and you count that space also in the length. Select length of hello hi. Now the third example shows select length of hello underscore hi. Underscore is also taken as a character and that one is also counted. So hello 5 underscore 6 h 7 I is 8. So total 8 letters are there. Next function is left. This function returns the leftmost n characters, leftmost len characters from the given string. The syntax is left of str, len. So you first specify the string, then how many letters from the left side you need from the string, that is len. Let us see some example. Select left of hello, 2. So this 2 specifies how many letters from the left of the string you need. Okay, so it is taken in the same order, left to right order. That is HE is the first 2 letters from the left of the string. Okay, now the second example, let us see the second example. Select left of hello, 4. This specifies you need 4 letters from the left side of this string, that is HELL, the 4 letters from the left side. What about this function? You have to see that, you have to be very careful and look into the string. Select left of the string. At the beginning it contains 2 spaces. 2 spaces are there and then HELLO, hello is there. And you want to take first 3 characters from the string. In this example, it is very clear that the result shows only H. And at the beginning, I told you there are 2 spaces. So space is also calculated as a character and it is also counted in the substring. So space H will be the first 3 characters in the given string. Space is also counted. Now let us see the right function. This right function returns the rightmost n number of characters or len number of characters specified in the function. For example, the syntax is right str, len, which is very much similar to the left function. And let us see some examples and find out. Select right of computer, 3. In this, right of computer, 3. So right side you will take. But the characters will be displayed in the left to right order. From the rightmost side, what are the 3 characters? TER are the 3 characters from the right side. That will be printed. Now in the second example, select right of compute, then space is there, then R. 2 spaces there, then R is given. So if such a string appears and it is asking rightmost 3 characters, then including that space, the character will be counted. Then space R will be printed. Now we are going to see one of the important part of this string function or text function. They are called trim. Trim, ltrim and rtrim. So this trim function is actually trimming some part of the string. Trimming means removing some part of the string. It can be the leading part. Leading part is the first left side of the string. Trailing part is at the right side of the string. Okay, so it can remove both sides, both left and right, or either left or right. So these are trim, ltrim and rtrim functions. Now the syntax of ltrim function is, ltrim actually trims the leading space from a string. Ltrim function syntax is ltrim, inside the bracket you specify the string. Let us see some of the examples. Ltrim of a big space is given before the string hello. Since ltrim removes the space at the beginning, at the leading part of the string, the entire space will be eliminated, removed from the string, and the output will be the string itself without the leading space. Now, let us see the second example in which it is very clear that ltrim will trim only the leading space. And in the second example, you can see that at the beginning there is a big space, at the middle also there is 2, 3, 4 space, and at the end also you can see a big space. But ltrim function removes only the beginning, the left side or the leading space from the string. So only the leading space is removed and the rest spaces are there. Now rtrim. Rtrim removes the trailing spaces. That means the space at the right side of the string. At the end of the string or the right side of the string, if there is a space, rtrim function can remove that. The syntax is very similar to ltrim function. It is rtrim of str. Let us see some of the examples. Here, the first example shows in the string there is a big space at the right end. That is trailing part of the string. You can see a big space there. In the result, even though it is not visible, you can say that the rightmost or trailing space is removed. If you want to know exactly what happened, you can try a len function, length function, and print the length of the string. So, for example, in the string hello and space, 5 spaces are there. For example, I am giving you, if there is 5 space after the string, the length of the string will be 10. Now, you remove the ltrim, you remove the space at the end of the string and try again this len length function, then you will see that the space will be removed from the string. Space will not be counted in the string. Now, the second example, rtrim of the previous one. Big space at the beginning, in between also there is space, at the end also there is space. Rtrim function removes only the space at the trailing end. So at the beginning, if there is any space, it will not remove, it will be there in the string itself. That is very clear in the output. The space is there at the beginning. Now we have this trim function. Trim function can remove the space from both ends, or it can remove any character from both ends. This is very interesting. So it performs the combined operation of ltrim and rtrim. Let us see. Now this particular string given to the trim function is having the space at the beginning and at the end also. When you select trim of such string, you can see in the output that both the trailing and leading space are removed from the string because of the trim function. You will see more examples here. I told you can remove characters also. You can remove characters, unwanted characters from the beginning or from the end of the string. For example, in the given string, the string is actually starting after the from keyword. After from, you can see the string which is having at the rate at the beginning, and at the end also, at the trailing side also, you can see the at the rate. Okay, that is this part here. At the beginning and at the end, you can see the at the rate. Now, the first function, let us see. Select trim of leading at the rate from the string. So, this is how you use the trim function to remove a particular character from the beginning or from the end. So, if you want to remove the character from the beginning using the trim function, we are not talking about the space, we are talking about the character, any character. Here the character that you want to remove is at the rate. So, select trim of leading at the rate, the character should be given inside the quotes, leading at the rate from the string. Then in the output you can see that the leading at the rates are removed, but the trailing side at the rates are there. Now the second function. The second function shows trailing at the rate. Select trim of trailing at the rate from here, the string. Okay, the trailing at the rate. It was before the leading at the rate. Here, trailing at the rate will be removed from the string, and the leading part will be there in the string, because we are just removing the trailing part, not the leading part. So, the trailing part will be removed. Which character we are removing? At the rate. Now, let us see the third one. Here the third one shows both. This is another keyword that you can use with the function. That is, select trim of both at the rate from the string. So, from the both side you can eliminate the character given. So, you can see in the output the at the rate from trailing end and the leading end are removed, and only the characters other than these are showing. Okay. Now next function is concat. This function concatenates two strings, and the format is concat of string 1 comma string 2. Very easy. If you want to concatenate two different functions, two different strings, you can just write select concat of hello comma everyone. Hello is the first string, everyone is the second string. So the result will be hello everyone. You see that? Now you can implement other functions inside this also. That is very interesting part of these functions. Now select concat of upper of hello comma lower of everyone. So hello will be converted into uppercase and everyone will be converted into lowercase, and these two strings will be concatenated. Okay. Now next one is in str. In this we are checking whether a particular string is there in the string, a substring is there in the string or not. Okay. So you have to mention the format. You can see here, this is the original string, and you're checking this particular substring is there in the string or not. Okay. You're just checking whether substring is there in the original string or not. The format is in str, in string, you can say in str or not. Now let us see some examples. Select in str computer comma te. We are just checking in the original string whether we have this particular value or not. Do you see any te in the computer? Yes. Where is it? Here. What is that position? T is starting here. And what is that position? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the position. So in string will return the first occurrence of this particular substring. Okay. First occurrence of the substring, that you have to remember. First occurrence. Now Let us see the second example. You will understand it very clearly here. In the second example, select in str corporate floor, comma OR. So this is our original string and this is our substring. Okay. Now OR is our substring and we are checking whether OR is present in it. We can see OR is here, OR is here and OR is here. 3 occurrence of OR is there. But what is the first occurrence? Where is it starting? Here. This is the first occurrence. So that will be returned as the result. The first occurrence of the substring in the given str. That is it for the session. Thank you.